Ramadan brings tranquility. With every step toward the mosque, their hearts learning to return home. In this blessed month, we increase our processions, we lengthen our prayers, we draw closer to Allah. Because Ramadan is not just about enduring hunger and thirst, but about healing hearts that get grown weary of the world.
I thank you with every breath I take. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah.
But I wasn't always like this. I wasn't always this calm. It took a long process to shape me. It took a long journey to bring me to this point.
Give it to me. I never thanked you once. I was too proud to see the truth and prostrate to you until I took the first step.
In this organization, I didn't just learn to speak. I didn't just learn to think. I learned to get closer to Him. I was reminded to pray on time. I was encouraged to recite prayers before starting. I was accustomed to praying before taking action. When I wanted to give up during practice, they didn't just say, "Keep going." They said, "Pray first, involve Allah." And from there, I learned that effort without prayer is arrogance, and prayer without effort is empty hope. This Ramadan, I realized blessings don't come suddenly. They grow from an environment that always encourages godness. And I realized that I was not walking alone. There was always hand reminding me. There was always a voice calling me back to Allah. Ramadan is about a journey to become better, more patient, more sincere, closer to Allah. And that journey feels beautiful when we are surrounded by people who always encourage us to do good. Because the best friends are those who remind us of God.
You gave me hope, oh Allah. I wanna thank you. I wanna thank
In this holy month, we are not only growing as an organization, we are growing as a family, strengthening each other in prayers, reminding each other of godness, working together toward blessings. May every step we take in this Ramadan be the testimony before Him, and may this togetherness continue to lead us toward even greater goodness.
Alhamdulillah. All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah.
Kami, keluarga besar UKM Argumen, mengucapkan
Selamat Hari Raya Idul Fitri 1447 Hijriah. Minal aidin wal faizin, mohon maaf lahir dan batin.
Argumen
Lead the way you think.